Okay guys, so welcome to Bespoke. It's our first show, obviously. All the learning curve for us, so if there's any feedback, just let us know, good or bad. We will change what we can change. We will change what we can change, and what we can't, we'll just ignore the messages. So just give us some feedback, basically, yeah? We'd like to firstly start by thanking everyone that's come. We wish we had, 20 trophies to give away. There's some wicked cards here, but we've got 7, unfortunately, so we've had to boil it down, but the turnout has been wicked. We couldn't have asked for more. A big shout out to our sponsors, which is Airstyle over there. We've got Maguire's, we've got Performance BMW, and big thanks to obviously the guys come down and film for us. We've got Jack's Film, we've got Hand-Built Cars, and most of all to our helpers, and obviously to the guys that have let us use this property. Myself, Tony and Steve. Steve lives here, he's lucky enough to live here with his family, so big shout out to his family for letting us take over the place for the day. We really appreciate that. So like I say, we've got 7 awards. We'll start off with a sponsor's choice. So we've got Airstyle magazine, and they have picked a Green Beetle RHK 393D. Here we go, mate. Well done, Dan. Nice one. Lovely car. Then we've got Maguire's choice. That would be Paul Newman with that big old beast of a Chevy over there. Have a Paul over here. Well done, Paul. Nice one, mate. Round of applause for Paul, please. We have Performance BMW. They've picked this bright old beast of a build here, the BMW 21 Motorsport. I believe that is Paul as well, is it? Paul, make way over, please. Thank you. Okay, next up we had a ballot box. Obviously this is you guys' choice, so it was close, wasn't it? There was a few at the top, but the one that got there in the end was that gorgeous Mark 1 Golf, which is Dan's Mark 1. So Dan, do you want to come over, mate? Well done, Dan. Well done, mate. Nice one, Dan. Cheers, Dan. Thank you. Okay, and then I think we've got 3 left. Obviously, these are the judges' choice. So myself, Steve and Tony, in no particular order. They're all as good as each other. We have a orange 240Z, BMW lump in it. Big old beast down here.
Alright.
Name?
Terry.
Terry, nice to meet you, Terry.
Thank you.
Well done, mate.
Well, Terry. Thank you very much.
Big man, tell.
Thank you.
Outstanding car, Terry. Nice one. Don't forget that, mate. Then we have another judge's choice, which is that Datsun Laurel right there. You've probably seen it about. It goes to every show under the sun. Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, okay,
Congratulations, mate. Well deserved.
Thank you.
And last but not least, we have judge's choice number 3, which is the Lancia Integrale, just around the corner there. Obviously, standout car. That's Dave. Well done, Dave. Congratulations, mate. Thanks, Dave.
There you go. All right.
So again, just a quick one. Thanks very much for turning up. We really do appreciate it. Myself, Tony and Steve, you know, we couldn't ask for a better turnout. We know a few of you, we don't know a few of you, but hopefully we've been around, we've been good. We've met some new friends, and hopefully if we do this again, you'll all come and you'll tell your friends to come as well, and hopefully we'll be a bit bigger and better next time. But like I say, any feedback, good or bad, we're up for it. We've got big shoulders, so let us know. So safe journey home, and the low cars, like I keep telling everyone, just mind the roads and the speed bumps, they do catch you out. Right? Good one. Nice one. Cheers, chaps.